It's National Wildlife Week, and today's unique wildlife species is the cicada, specifically the 7 species of periodical cicadas. Now, unlike most insects, which only live a few weeks or maybe a few months, periodical cicadas can live for years. They spend most of that time underground as nymphs feeding on plant roots. And then, every 13 or 17 years, depending on the species and the brood, they all emerge at once to find a mate and repeat the process. Now, they might look kind of scary, but don't worry, they're harmless to people.